Here's the strategy that I was going to show you. It's similar to the standard algorithm, and it kind of scaffolds it to get the students to that point. So we start with the 5 and the hundreds and ask the students, how many 4s are in there? Well, if you skip count, there's only 1. Because if you did 2, it would be 4, 8, and that's too many. So 1 times 4 is 4. Then we have 1 left over. That 1 is going to go up here. So now we have 17. Again, count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. We're going to have to do 4 times 4 because that's 16 because 20 was too much. Again, you have 1 left over, so we bring it up here. Now your new number is 11. So again, count by 4s. 4, 8, 12. Nope, just 2 of them. So that's 8. And we have 3 left over. And that is our remainder. 142, remainder 3. Another way that I did it to kind of bring them towards the standard algorithm is using the circles or the multiplication, but displaying it as the standard algorithm. For example, I asked the students, how many groups are we making? We're making 4 groups. So we draw 4 circles. It's a very wonky circle, sorry. So we talk about, okay, can we do 1,000 in each? Now, could we give each person 100? Maybe, let's try. 100, 200, 300, 400. Ooh, I can't give any more because then that wouldn't be fair. 5, 6, I don't have that much. All right, well, there's 4 people and they each got 100. So I gave each person 100, so I'm gonna put 100 here. And that's 400, so I'm gonna subtract 400. Now at this point, you don't have to put these extra zeros. You could explain how the 1 is just in the hundreds place, but I like to start by putting the other zeros to build that up. So then when they subtract, they obviously get 171. And I ask them, okay, what can we do now? We can't do hundreds. We could do 10s. What about 20s, 30s? What do we want to try? So maybe they want to try 50. So 50, 100, 150, 200. Nope. So we know 50 is too much. Maybe we can try 20. So we'll go 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, that got me pretty close. So you could start there. And this is also when, in addition to the circles, I like to have the students do fast facts. So I'll have them put like 4 times 1, 4 times 5, just like easy numbers that they already have done. And you can also ask them, okay, so I can't count by 4 to get to 1. Could I count by 4 and get close to 17? 4, 8, 12, 16. All right, that's 4. But I don't want 4 because that's a tens place. That's a 40. So let's try 40. 40, 80, 120, 160. Oh, because it was kind of like 4, 8, 12, 16, but I added a 0. I apologize, I'm using my teacher voice. Now, if you did 20, it would have still worked, but obviously you would have more numbers up here. You would have like 20 and 20, which could work if that helps the students. And they go, okay, I have 11. So what do I do? Can I do another 40? No. What about 10? 10, 20, 30, 40? No, it's not going to work. Let's try just 4. What if I put 4 in each? 4, 8, 12. Oh, nope. What about 3? 3, 6, 9, 12. No. So that means maybe we can try 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, 8 worked. So I'm going to put that 2 up here. And I have 3 left over. I can't give any more away. And I know it goes back to the why, but it's really talking to the students about this is where that 100 is coming from. This is where that 40 is coming from. This is where that 2 is coming from. So why does this say 400? Because there's 4 circles. Why does this say 160? Because we did 40 4 times. Why is this 8? because we did 2 4 times. So again, just leaning back to that why. And then I say, okay, well, now we have these 3 numbers. Let's put them together. 142, and our remainder was 3. So the next step would be to still do this, but instead of putting 140 and 2, you would show the students to just do one place value at a time, where first they put the 100, then the tens, then the ones. But if you do this way, they really need to know how many tens are going to be here, which is where that fast facts comes in. So like I said, I always have the students do like some ones, maybe like 4 times 1, 4 times 2. Then I have them do some tens, 4 times 10, 20, 30, 40. Then I have them do some hundreds. And they solve these so that they're ready to go. So even if they struggle with their facts, they can kind of use this as a reference. I hope that made sense.